Expanding court fight over football playoff rankings has postponed the playoffs in all 4 West Virginia classes scheduled for this coming weekend until that litigation can be resolved. Bob Aaron says West Virginia's Secondary School Activities Commission, at the center of this controversy, announced about 3 hours ago that the playoff games are still on hold.
A review of the play on the field is coming from the court system after some schools balked about which formula for playoff ranking and seeding was used. The fallout followed a reshuffling of schools in the wake of the creation of a 4A class that altered how playoff ratings and seedings fell. Wood County, which has 3 schools in the playoffs, still challenged the football playoff rating formula and got an order going to the other formula. There's also legal action by Point Pleasant High School. Tuesday afternoon, the West Virginia Secondary School Activities Commission announced the football playoffs for all 4 classes have been postponed until the legal fight is resolved. Executive Director David Price said, "We are extremely disappointed, urged putting the focus back on student athletes, and warned the agency must abide by court decisions and timelines."
The SSAC does have control, supervision, and regulation over football, according to the law, but it can't act in an arbitrary or capricious manner.
In West Virginia, we are the athletic oversight group, but at the same time, like we've said before, we don't make up the rules as we go along. These are rules that are actually passed and submitted by the principals.
In her order, Mason County Judge Anita Ashley created a play-in to the playoffs where Point Pleasant faces off with St. Albans and Hampshire County would meet Capital in AAA.
With conflicting court orders, or at least the effort to get them coming like dueling banjos, it looks like this case could end up before the West Virginia Supreme Court.
Like anybody else, we have to follow what the courts say. And then when we get competing orders, we have to take a look and see if we need to go to a higher authority to rule on what it is we're to do.
Lawyers apparently would be the ones tackling this problem. In Charleston, Bob Aaron, Eyewitness News.
And Wyoming County's West Side High School heads to court tomorrow morning at 11 o'clock to try to regain its playoff spot.